everyone, Sheree here. Today I'm going to create a Traveller's Notebook style spread using the Citrus Twist Kit's October Live Crafted Kit. I've got a few bits and pieces here chosen ready to use. This paper here is one of the 6x8 papers that you get in the kit. You can also purchase this digitally to use and print them out yourself. I've also got the chipboard here. There's lots of fun little phrases and things here. And the puffy heart stickers, they are adorable. And I'm planning on using the At My Table stamp set as well. There's lots of great things on this one, like pumpkin spice latte right here. There'll be stamps that I'm using today because I'm scrapping about our first pumpkin spice latte of the season. I've also using the digital version of this stamp set. This is called This Is Life Food Stories. I love this stamp set, but I really wanted this enjoy word to be larger, and I wanted to try and match the orange that's on this chipboard piece here. So I've used the digital version, which you can purchase in store, which allowed me to change the black lines on this one to the orange color and the little cup there as well. And then I just added my words to that digitally as well in Photoshop. So I've printed out the enjoy word there and that piece to use on this spread, and I'm going to be stamping up 3 different stamps out of this stamp set for this spread today. So I'll pop you on fast forward and show you how I'm going to put this one together. Okay, so first up I'm going to add that strip of pattern paper down the left hand side of that first page. So I'm just lining that one up along the edge, and then I can grab my sewing machine and add some stitching. So I'm going to stitch down that strip and around the border of that second page. That's now done. I'm going to go ahead and add one of those printed pieces underneath the journaling there, and then I'm going to use those stamps. So I'm going to grab a spare piece of plain white cardstock, and I'm going to stamp the little checklist that says good, meh, or delish. So I'm going to stamp that one twice just so that I can use the best stamped image for the actual spread. Next up is a stamp that says right here with the arrow underneath. So again, I'll stamp that one twice so I can use the best one. And then I've got the pumpkin spice latte stamp. So I'll do a little test stamp first, but I do want to do this one directly onto the page. So I'm going to carefully do that above the journaling there. And I was lucky it turned out perfectly, so I'm really happy with that. Now I'm going to go ahead and add that other printed piece above that, the title Enjoy, and then I'm going to add the photo to the middle of that second page. Alright, so I'm now going to cut out those stamped pieces to use. The right here with the arrow I've cut into a banner shape, and that one's going to go in the top left hand corner of that photo. The other one I want to put underneath the photo, but first I'm going to add one of those circular chipboard pieces that says more of this. So now that's on there, I can add the other stamped piece underneath, just adding double-sided tape to that one. Okay, so that's done, and I can now grab my sewing machine again and add more stitching. So I've added stitching to both of those printed pieces and to both of the stamped pieces as well. So I'm just going to mark that little checkbox next to the word delish, and next I'm going to add the date. So just using my date stamp at the bottom of that first page. So I'll do that carefully, trying not to smudge it. And then all I need to do is grab some of those cute puffy heart stickers and add those around the page, and this spread is complete. So it's been nice and quick and easy. I hope you've enjoyed seeing how this one's come together today. I'll be back again soon with another project. I'll leave a link down below to Citrus Twist Kits, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.